Alright guys, so I'm back, so let's finish this thing. So right now what we need to do is we need to create the landing page that leads to our video page, right? So let's go back to the lead pages. So here we can actually just duplicate the landing page that we created for the last funnel, right? So this was the Golf Direct. So all you got to do is just click on this, click on duplicate, and give it a name. So I'm just going to call this Golf Engagement. Okay, so click on duplicate, and then it's just going to duplicate this thing. Okay, let's give it some time, and then it's just going to take you to the page so you can edit the page. Okay. Alright, so this is where you again edit the whole thing one more time. So let's go back. So I'm gonna edit the for the copy of this, I'm gonna use this, right? How to perfect your golf swing in the easiest way possible. So let's copy this. So we're not gonna copy any formatting. Just gonna put this here, how to perfect your easiest way possible. And that is pretty much it. Now let's click on done. Click on Golf Engagement. Let's change the title, because if this is the page that we duplicated, so the title is going to be the same. So let's change that to how to perfect. Okay, so guys, before I move forward with this, let me tell you something. As you see, what I'm doing is I'm taking the copy from the video and the description that we already had. So don't try to reinvent the wheel, just use what you have and what's working already. Okay, so that's really important. If you have something good in mind, use it. Sure, test it and see if it works. But if you don't, just get it from the video, from the description on YouTube, from the actual sales page of the product that you're promoting. So get it from those places. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Okay, so that's that. So I'm just gonna click on done. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to change the list, right? So click on the instant page, click on the button. So you need to edit this. Okay. Let's click on that. Alright, so now next thing, obviously same as before, we need to change the integration settings. Let's find the the new list that we just created. Let's click on reload, so it's going to load this whole thing one more time. Alright, let's just wait for it. Alright, so let's find the Golf Warm. Probably I'm not seeing it. Oh, I know why. I think we didn't create the form for this. Yes, I forgot that. So let's go back to sign up forms. Create a sign up form. Again, Golf Engagement Funnel, I did not create that sign up form for it, so that's why I missed it. So go to the step 2, my web form, Golf Engagement. Just name it something that you're gonna remember. The thank you page again goes to the affiliate link, right? Same as before, guys, same as before. Just goes to the thank you page, and make sure to change the ID to let's see, that's going to be Go Engagement. Okay, now already subscribed, same thing. Okay, so let's click on save. Let's go back here, refresh one more time, and we should be able to see that funnel in there. Golf Warm, there you go. golf engagement, and click on OK and save changes. There you go. We are done and ready to do this. Now, after we save this, let's actually change this. This is not right? Yeah, that's something we gotta change. So we're gonna change this to enter your name and email to access this free video. Okay, so now click on OK, and after you click on OK, you gotta save this whole thing and publish it. Okay, let me just pause this video almost for a sec. After you click on OK, you click on save, and after you do that, it's going to save the whole thing, and then you're going to click on publish. And there you go. So that's your page. Now, if you remember, we forgot to do something. Something is really important, and this is something that you guys have to remember when you're doing this engagement funnel. Okay, so after we create this engagement funnel, we need to make sure when someone signs up for this engagement funnel, they go to the video funnel. That's really, really important, guys. Okay, so in order to do that, we do the same thing that we did, but we change something. So you click on the you click on the button again, you click on thank you page, and instead of sending people to the landing page, to the product, you send them to the golf video. Okay, again, we'll send them to the video. So that's the video page that we created. If you let me open that video and show you. There you go. This is the video that the page that we just created 10 minutes ago, right? So this is the page. So you just send them to this page instead of a thank you page. Okay, so let's save this. Click on and click on save. And let's click on publish. And click on view page. Now let's test it, right? Now it's almost done, and let's just test it to make sure it works. So click on instant access. I'm just going to put name and email here. And instant access should take me to that video page. Perfect. There you go. So that is pretty much it for this funnel. Let me know if you have any questions. In the next video, I'm going to tell you there's something else that you need to add to these funnels. And that's going to be pretty much it. And we're going to be ready to start running Facebook ads. So I'll see you in the next video.